for this camera from that side. Just can try unboxing the camera. Okay. This is Canon G15. You got full HD and IS. You got HS system. Okay, we're gonna start open boxes. I'm so excited with it. Okay, this is the box. This is like warranty or something from Canon. And this is manual instruction. And this is CD solution. Okay. There you go. And this is the gas strap, accessories, and this is like a charger, Canon charger. And then the battery, this Canon battery. I would like have another extra. Okay. Alright, and this is the camera itself. Alright, let's put away. And this one, the camera. Whoa, that was beautiful. The previously I have G12, and then now I try to upgrade with this because look at that, they got new sensor, HS, and the important thing, this camera, they got wide aperture, like 1.8 to 2.8, 5x optical zoom, and got manual control here, shooter. Okay, so they got flash manually. If you want more flash, they got show flash in here. Okay, and then made in Japan. Wow, mostly my camera is all made in Japan. I just trust Japanese, you know, they make more precious. Okay, this is my Canon G15, guys. This is like good and huge different. Feels solid. Even it's not, the screen is not movable, tilt or something. We don't need that. Okay, and this is my backup for my backup camera. And then mostly if I use that, the camera, the Canon, that one, the big one, but it's too heavy, still too heavy, and I use this camera. And I still have the one camera I'm recording this video is Sony. Okay, thanks guys for watching.